Morning po. So magta-try po tayo ng C2 Apple. Sugar-free po ito, no? Requested by one of our followers. Baseline po muna tayo ng blood sugar. Yan po, tama-tama, 106. So inumin ko po si C2 and then babalik po ako after an hour to get the blood sugar spike. One hour na po, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Interesting. I think nag-start po yata tayo ng 106 or 108 po yata kanina, no? So now it's 101. So bumaba pa po siya. So wala pong blood sugar spike si C2 sugar-free in the first hour. So balik po ulit ako after an hour to get the final blood sugar. See ya. Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. C2 Apple. I think I forgot to mention 335 ml po yung laman nung bato. Yeah, so tuloy-tuloy po yung pagbaba, no? 106, 101, now it's 97. So, wala pong blood sugar spike si C2 Apple na sugar-free. Yun lang po for this vlog. Bye!